a cactus, you're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. Your termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the seasick crocodile. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of lemon wash socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The 3 words that describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. You're up to Mr. Grinch. You're the king of sinful songs. Your heart's a dead tomato spotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul's an appalling dumphead, overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable, mangled up and tangled up knots. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a nauseous super nose. You're a crooked, jerky jockey, and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a 3-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich with arsenic sauce. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's the cutest thing I swear you'll ever see. It's the best. So get dressed, I'll impress you with the colors of the rainbow. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. It's so magical, let's go there in your dreams. It's the best. So get dressed, I'll impress you with the lights in all our windows. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. And Christmas is waiting for you. And Christmas is waiting for you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. And Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Candy Cane Lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, Candy Cane Lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, candy canes. Well, eat candy canes. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. I'll call Rudolph down, he'll meet us in the street. We can dance, he can prance, there's no can't, 'cause here everything is possible. Take a trip down Candy Cane Lane with me. Let's get Santa out and get him on his feet. We can dance, holding hands, ain't no cans. 'Cause here everything is possible. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. And Christmas is waiting for you. Christmas is waiting for you. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. And Christmas is waiting for you. And Christmas is waiting for you. Candy cane lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, candy cane lane, bring a friend this holiday. Bring a friend who loves to play. We'll eat all the candy canes. Oh, candy canes. Well, eat candy canes. Merry Christmas!